Hi there, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making a classic flavoured soup and it's carrot and coriander. Now this is a really easy and healthy recipe to prepare, plus you can reheat it when you need it. To start with, take one large onion. Carefully using a sharp knife, slice the ends off, slice in half then peel, then chop the onion into rough chunks. Also take a garlic clove, again peel, then roughly chop, then set aside with the onion. Now take 500 grams of peeled carrots and roughly chop into chunks. With these ingredients prepared, take a saucepan that's big enough to hold all your ingredients, place over a medium heat on the stove and heat up some olive oil. Then add your onion and garlic to the saucepan and fry for about 5 minutes. Now add to the saucepan the carrots you prepared earlier, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and half a handful of washed fresh coriander. Crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube, then pour some boiling water into the pan until all the ingredients are just about covered. Stir everything together until the stock cube is dissolved into the water, then bring everything up to boiling point and leave to simmer over a low heat for 10 minutes. And after the simmering time, remove the saucepan from the heat. Then take a ladle and carefully remove some of the stock from the pan and pour it into a jug and set aside for later. And now using either a hand blender or a food blender, we now need to blitz the soup. So I'm using a regular food blender, so I'm going to add the ingredients from the saucepan into the blender jug. Then blitz the ingredients until nice and smooth, or if you fancy a chunkier soup, simply blitz for less time until you reach a consistency you like. So when you've finished blitzing, wipe out the saucepan you were using earlier and pour the soup back in. And if you feel the soup is still too thick, simply pour back in some of the stock that we set aside from earlier. Finally, sprinkle in another half handful of freshly chopped coriander and season with some salt and pepper if you feel the soup needs it. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make this delicious and comforting carrot and coriander soup, which is perfect to prepare in advance and reheat when you need it.